Hello, my name is Dmitry and today we're going to explore 3 pasta recipes. Stay tuned till the end because the last one is incredibly delicious and my personal favorite. Let's get started. Cook pesto pasta. While our pasta is cooking, we grease the pan with oil. I add a little bit of sunflower oil so the butter doesn't burn too quickly. I add the butter and then it's melted. I add spinach. A couple of teaspoons pesto sauce. I dilute the pesto with a small amount of pasta water. Add a bit of cream. Let it mix with the rest of the sauce and then add the pasta. Cook it a bit more and then plate it. For the next pasta, I chop tomatoes. Take red pesto sauce, raspberry for aroma, cream, Parmesan and spinach. While the pasta is cooking, I fry the tomatoes, then add everything else one by one, as shown in the video. We cook it until it's ready, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Enjoy your meal. And finally, my favorite, arrabbiata pasta with added lemon juice. We finely chopped chili peppers. You can use any hot chili peppers you like. We also need lemon, Parmesan, tomato and butter. We fried everything as shown in the video. I added a bit of white wine, but it's optional. We add salt and pepper and cook until it's ready. Transfer to a plate. Sprinkle with Parmesan and enjoy the wonderful taste. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Your like, comment or subscription would really help me in developing the channel on my way to my first 1000 subscribers. Thank you and see you next time!